Good morning, viewers. I am K. Ramadevi. I am Functional English and Life Skills Trainer in AGHS School, Tuni, East Godavari District. Today, I would like to introduce sentence sorting. Before going to the topic, I want to explain what is sorting. Sorting means any process of arranging items systematically. Before going to the topic, we have to understand what is sentence. Sentence is a systematic arrangement of words. Dear children, do you know how the words are formed? Words are formed by the letters. Now I want to show you jumbled words. Jumbled words means rearrangement of letters in a meaningful way. Now I will show you a picture. Can you guess the name of the flower? Can you arrange the letters in an order? Yes, you are right. That is Daisy. Children, anybody watch this animal in Animal Planet? Can you identify the animal? You can use jumbled words and arrange them in an order. Yes, that is hyena. And next word, can you guess the name of the bird? Arrange the letters in a correct order. Yes, that is vulture. Dear children, look at my hand. How many fingers are opened? Tell me the number. Yes, that is 4. Children, let us arrange the jumbled sentences. Sorting sentence means rearrangement of the words to form a meaningful sentence. It is also known as jumbled sentences and sentence formation. Here is the first sentence. Read out the sentence as it is. Big look at the elephant. Do you get any meaning of the sentence? Now arrange the words in an order in a correct way. Look at the big elephant. Now going to the next sentence. Read the sentence. Oh, a brown egg with chick hen. And read the sentence and correct the sentence. Oh, a brown hen with a chick. And next, read the jumbled sentence. Every day, milk I glass a drink of. And look at the picture and correct the sentence. I drink a glass of milk every day. And once read the sentence. Honey A makes B sweet. You can look at the picture and correct the sentence. A honey bee makes sweet. And next sentence, read out the sentence. Likes dog, bone the. Now you can arrange them in a meaningful order. The dog likes bone. Next, read out the given sentence. And Mahesh, Jagadish to TV like watch. Look at the picture. What they are doing? And correct the sentence. Mahesh and Jagadish like to watch TV. And read the next sentence. Children, toys, play, with the. Look at the picture and arrange the words in a meaningful order. The children play with the toys. Next sentence, read the sentence. Bench, Dinesh sitting on his. Look at the picture and correct the sentence. Dinesh is sitting on the bench. Now going to the next sentence. Peacocks dancing the garden in. You look at the picture and arrange the words in a meaningful order. The peacocks are dancing in the garden. Before conclude the lesson, we have to recapitulate what you learned in the lesson. First one is how the words formed, and second point is how can we make a meaningful sentence by